Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cheese ring. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 125 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of cold, unsalted butter cut into small cubes, and 150 grams of grated sharp cheddar cheese. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a few tablespoons of ice water. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a perfect start to your savory treat. Now, let's get our hands a little messy and prepare the dough. In a large bowl, combine the flour and cold butter, rubbing them together until the mixture resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Next, stir in your grated cheddar cheese. Gradually add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ice water, mixing until the dough just comes together. Be careful not to overwork it. Wrap the dough in plastic and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This chilling step is crucial for a flaky texture. With your dough nicely chilled, it's time to bring your cheese ring to life. On a lightly floured surface, roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thick. You can cut it into strips or use a cookie cutter for fun shapes. Carefully arrange these pieces into a ring on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Keep an eye on it. Once your cheese ring emerges from the oven, golden and fragrant, let it cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes. This helps it firm up and makes it easier to handle. You can sprinkle some fresh chives or parsley over the top for a touch of color and extra flavor, if you like. Serve your warm, savory cheese ring as a delightful appetizer for guests or a special snack for yourself. Enjoy every delicious, cheesy bite of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.